Hi, and this is my Mighty Bean. So, yeah. So, my first one is the Teddy Bear Bean. And my second one is the Space Monkey. The Space Monkey. My third one is the Panda Bean. And the Bloodhound. The Tiger Bean. I think this is Fu Manchu. Yeah. And Frankenstein, I'm guessing. The Loch Ness Monster, I think. Yeah. I don't know what that is, so I'm just gonna put it back. The Woolly Mammoth Bean. The Holy Mammoth Bean, sorry. I think it's Holy Mammoth. The Pirate Bean. The Bulldog. The Hamburger, Mighty Bean. And the Mega Bean. The Whale Mega Bean. The Hamster Mega Bean. The Pig Mega Bean from Season 2. The Major Stink Mega Bean. And the last Mega Bean I have, the Nurse Mega Bean. Now I don't know who that is. The Country Western Bean. And I think this is from Season 2, I don't know. The Grilled Bean. So it's blurry, so I don't think you can read it. The Caveman. The someone in the Cyclops and the X-Man. This is the Captain America scroll. There. This is Wolverine. And this is from the Star Wars collection. Luke. I know that's Anakin, I think. Yeah, it's Anakin Skywalker. And I really don't know what that is. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Computer bean. I think this is a rare bean, yeah.
Where did I put my phone?
I'm holding it.
I interrupted the video, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Can you move over here because I'm going to work on a tree?
Okay.
Sorry, buddy. Thank you. I don't want to be under the You're a superstar. Thank you so much.
I'm coming out and carry.
Thank you, bud. I'm sorry I interrupted your video. You want to be at the dining room table?
I'll go in the office.
Where would you like them?
They can be on there.
Right here? You're welcome. I'm sorry I interrupted you. I need to call Kristen real quick too, but I can call on the regular phone.
Okay. The Skeleton Bean. The Rare Bean. And the Kentucky Fried Chicken Bean, I think. Yeah, the Fried Chicken Bean. The Chicken Nugget Bean. Wait, the Hot Dog Bean. Here's the Chicken Nugget Bean. Yeah, I think this is the G-Force Bean right here. And here's the Ping Pong Bean. Astronaut Bean. wrestler bean who looks like Hulk Hogan. Army bean, I think it's the command bean. Surfer bean. I don't know what that is, bean. Skydive bean. Fairy bean. Wizard bean. Unicorn bean. It's a mustache bean. It is the prince bean. The robot bean. I think this is the bomb disposal bean. Right? No, that's not it. Here, the soccer bean, the football player bean. It's a ninja. The hockey bean, the first ever bean. Ninja. It says one right here, but my finger's blocking it, and the camera's kind of blurry. The X-ray bean. I think the handlebar bean. Who's holding his mustache apparently. And the dragon for the next case, but this case isn't full. I might have to end this video soon. So we have the secret. What are you doing, Cooper? The secret service bean. Right there. Right there. I can't read that bean. It's some sort of mustache bean. And this is the king bean. Is apparently looking pretty crazy right now. What the heck? Is this a hillbilly? Yeah, it's a hillbilly bean. Cooper, get away from me. The Davy Jones bean, I'm guessing. The jock. This is the big ear dog bean. The McCuster bean. Anyways, I'm going to end this video and make a part 2 since this is taking a little while. And the YouTube rule is it can't be over 10 minutes long, so bye.